everyone, myself Sonal. Today I am going to do an activity showing that high speed wind reduces air pressure. Here we have one bottle and crumpled paper. I have crushed this paper with my hands. Now we know that air is present everywhere. Air will be moving constantly. So to prove that air is also constantly moving inside the bottle, we'll check. First, I'll crush the bottle like this. It will be crushed. And if I put the cap of the bottle and if I crush, I'm putting all my force to crush, but it cannot. So it is proved that air is everywhere. Now let's start the activity. I'll put this crumpled paper into my mouth and I'll put all my force to push this paper into this bottle. We can see that the crumpled paper is inside the bottle. So it is proved that high speed wind also causes reduced air pressure. We know that high speed wind can also cause cyclones and tornadoes. So gently moving wind is called breeze and fast moving wind is called storms. Thank you.